Today we are talking about my best finds in August of 2023 for the best man makeup or light makeup, like whatever you want to call it. So yeah, let's just jump right into my favorites of August. Okay, in full disclosure, before I get into this video, I have combination to oily skin. So sometimes I get dry patches, but then throughout the day, I get oily and sweaty, especially during the summer. So I'm definitely combination to oily skin. So all of these products, that's the skin that I test them on, is my skin, obviously. Okay, first I'm going to talk about concealers. So I'm going to start off with the drugstore concealer that I retried and really liked again, which is the NYX Bare With Me Concealer Serum. This is $12, and I like this because it's a really light moisturizing texture, like light to medium coverage. It does get a little creasy, so if you're a person that likes to set your concealer, which I don't, but I think I remember this taking powder okay. So, just be mindful that it can settle in the creases a little bit, but I just find that if I just tap it out, because I don't set with a powder, if I just tap it out, then it looks good. And then after several hours, it won't do that anymore, but just watch out for a little bit of creasing on this. But it's very hydrating, gives you light to medium coverage, which is nice. It's pretty affordable, so we're into this again. The next concealers that I want to talk about are somewhat similar. So it's the Makeup by Mario, that's what I'm gonna say, and then the Huda Beauty. So these are both newer concealers. I would say these are both drier formulas. If I had to choose one, I would choose the Makeup by Mario because it just looks a little bit more natural on the skin versus the Huda Beauty. But both very good high-end concealers. They're both, I think, around $30. I mean, my thought of choice is that I typically like a bunch of stuff from the drugstore, like the NYX, the Revlon Color Stay. That one's always a good one. Cheaper options than these, but if you're looking for a high-end concealer, more on the matte side, then both of these would work really well for you. Okay, and the last concealer that I want to talk about is, I just did a video on this. I just found this like maybe a week ago, but the Jones Road Concealer Pencil. It is so good. It is light but buildable coverage. It's undetectable on the skin. It just kind of gives you that freshness. If you're looking for full coverage, this is not your thing. This is $25. Seems like you have a lot of product. I don't know, I just got this, but you sharpen this pencil. So if if there's product all the way down to here, I don't really know how pencils work yet, but that seems to be like a lot of product because I've been using this for quite a few days and still haven't really made a dent in this product. This one is a knockout hit for me for this month. Don't walk, run to go get this. If you like a light, fresh makeup day, this is your girl. The only thing that I don't like about this, and like I said, I don't know much about pencil products. It smells like a pencil. Like it reminds me of second grade when you got your fresh pack of pencils and you had to sharpen them. That's exactly what it smells like. And it just kind of freaks me out a little bit, but the product is really good. So definitely recommend this one. All right, let's talk about foundation. So I'm going to first talk about the Almay Clear Complexion foundation. I really liked this. It looked really natural and nice on the skin. The one thing that I did notice about this is that you definitely get a little bit of shiny. You do have to babysit this a little bit, but it looks so nice on the skin that I would be okay with babysitting this throughout the day, just making sure you're powdered, that stuff, but it looks really nice on the skin. And this is also $12.79. The next one I'm going to talk about is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation, the newly formulated formula, I guess you would say. This looks really good on the skin. It's not drying. It's not a matte finish. It's not a dewy finish. It's all kind of in the middle. It's like a light to medium coverage, I would say. So this one was really good. I really enjoyed this. This is $13.99. All right, so that wraps it up for my new finds of August of 2023. So yeah, and then obviously I am still into my Wet n Wild Bare Focus powder. I've broken this, but anyway, that's a favorite to call out and mention as well. I hope that this helped you make some purchases, save some money. Yeah, that's what I'm here for. So anyway, I will do an updated makeup routine here probably in the next month or so for fall with all of my new favorites. Be sure to subscribe to check that out. I upload Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time. I will link down below a playlist to all my other reviews so you can check those out as well. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will check you on the next one.